Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching the Stickies app. Do it now with Spotlight. Once open, create a new note using Command N so you have a canvas to work with. Make sure to choose a clear font and color. Different colors help you scan quickly later. You'll also resize the window immediately so the note fits where you want it on screen. After that, type a short title line and press Return. This initial step sets the organization pattern you'll follow. Once you have a few notes, arrange them logically. Drag and drop to group by project or priority, placing urgent notes top left so they're visible. For richer content, press Command-T to bring up the font panel and apply bold or list formatting. This makes tasks and deadlines pop. You can also convert long text into smaller notes and pin them by size. If you need a backup, export a note with File right arrow save as PDF. That ensures nothing vanishes unexpectedly. To finish, copy essential stickies into the Apple Notes app if you want iCloud sync across devices. Stickies itself is local to your Mac. Create a custom keyboard shortcut in System Settings to open stickies quickly. This saves time every day. If a note disappears, look for minimized or hidden windows, then quit and reopen stickies. Often that restores them. If problems persist, recover content from any exported PDF.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.